Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LS. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray, looks great. You got the Chevrolet badging up front there with your projector-style headlights right there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch tires with our 17-inch rims with the Michelin brand tires. They look great. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the Equinox all-wheel drive badging there, as well as you do have your Chevrolet badging. You can open it up just right here. Just like that. Looks great back here, lots and lots of room. You can fold this guy up, you got your spare tire underneath there, as well as you can fold those seats forward if you did need, then you got even more room. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. You got your panic button down there, and we do have the key right there. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have some chrome accenting on the handle. You have electric mirrors, windows, and locks here, handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks great in here. The two-tone seats are very nice as well, very comfortable. You have the controls over them here, so you do have the lumbar support right here, as well as the raise and lower. And then we do have our in-cabin light control right here. Right here we do have the controls over the lights, so we have our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as the high beams and turning signals. Okay, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it is warning us about the ice on the road. Now, as well, we can change it around to, we have our tire pressure right now, but we can switch that around to our speed. Then we can change it to our different trips. We have our fuel range, our average fuel economy, liters per 100 kilometers, average vehicle speed. You got a timer, navigation, and you can turn the menu off, as well as you have your different vehicle information in there as well. Now you also have your cruise control options right here, horn in the center, and your options for your Bluetooth, as well as the volume and the source. Then you do have your windshield wiper control right there. In the center we do have our touchscreen display. Looks great. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you got your favorites. When you are in reverse, you have that backup camera keeping you nice and safe right there. You can also hit home right up here, and you can see we have our phone options, as well as USB, FM, all those different guys. Down here we do have the volume up and down with the power. Our presets here, favorite, source, our skip options, play, we have our mute, our phone button. You also have your home, back button, info, your clock, tone, and then you also have your configuration. Then up here you do have your tuner. You got in your climate control the power up and down, where it's going to blow out of. You have your hazard lights, your temperature control, you have your circulation, front rear defrost, as well as you do have your menu, and those ones control that little guy in the middle that I showed you earlier. Then you have some storage here, and right down here, gear shift is right here. You also have your eco mode right there. You have your cup holders, traction control, some storage right there. You do have your armrest here that doubles as a storage container, USB and aux cord plug in there. You can move this guy out of the way, and then you do have even more room right down there. And then over here we do have our glove box, lots and lots of room in there as well. And then up top you have your control over your lights, all there. Take a look in the back now. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting on the handle, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here, same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this guy down right here. Then you got an armrest with some cup holders as well. You can fold the seats forward, as I said, just like that, giving you even more room in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LS. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.